Meanwhile, St. Elizabeth Technical and the Mannings School are the Issa rural area under 16 and under 14 champions respectively. More in this report.
St. Elizabeth Technical have won back-to-back under-14 titles, defeating the Mannings School 3-1 at Manchester High on Tuesday. STETHS were in front as early as the 11th minute through Alexander Myers. Emeke Anderson then doubled the defending champions' advantage, getting in on the act in minute 24. And Tajay Stevens stretched their lead even further, scoring the third goal 3 minutes into the second half. Damian McCallum scored a consolation for Mannings in minute 69.
From the get-go, we get goals. We should have scored more earlier, but nonetheless, we scored 3 goals. Mannings get back 1 late, but we didn't afraid of it. We need a winner. We need to use them to start win. Winning is a hobby, so we need to start win from here, and then we move on with the winning that we need to do.
In the under-16 section, Mannings are the new champions after clipping Central High 2-1 at the same venue. Mannings started out the gate early as Antoine Wright netted in the 5th minute to give them the lead. However, in the second half, Central High came out with more purpose and got the equalizer through Karen Beckford in the 64th minute. Javin Miles ensured the Westmoreland-based school walked away with the trophy as he netted the winner in second half stoppage time.
Nervous moment for the coaching staff. At one point we thought it was going down to penalties, so we started to thinking about penalty shootout. But we keep telling the guys just push, because this is how we train. We train for these guys to push and press, and we told them just press, it will come.
STETHS will square off against Wilmer's boys in the All-Ireland Under-14 final at 1 p.m, while the Under-16 contest will see Mannings playing Jamaica College. Both matches are slated for Saturday at the Stadium East Field. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
Right then, we'll take a halftime break and come back with lots more. Stay tuned.